Oh, well, it's raining. Oh, what are we doing? Oh, we got a trailer back there? Oh, well, boys, it's already like the day after the race, and well, he wants to turn, so we're gonna go pick up another Jeep.
Yeah!
Yeah! And we're gonna see what can happen. I mean, he wants to just do some Ricky Bobby stuff, just go out there and just, I wanna go fast!
Yeah!
Yeah! And be like, I'm flying through the air, this ain't good. Reference from the last video. All right, well, we're gonna get there through this rain with these bald tires on the old Dodge Laredo and see what happens and see how good of a shape it's in.
Yeah.
We brought like very few tools and a battery on the chance that it's gonna start, so you know, we're already doing great here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, great day to take the old supercar out for a spin, eh? Literally a spin. Nerd! Nerd!
Homer, that isn't very nice.
Such a nice unit.
Ah, this thing's ready. She's ready to roll. Look at that. 238,703. That's not gonna last much longer. No drama, fired right up. Now he's gonna run into a tree. Right on the trailer. Thanks, Bob. I wonder if it's got reverse.
Degrees outside.
It's a fair day. Oh yeah. She's a unit.
Have to get the rust knocked off the rotors.
You don't need to worry about that.
Where we're going, we don't need rust.
Just drive it home. What the hell we bring a trailer for? Takes out the bush. You gonna do the Dukes of Hazzard? All right, back to the compound here. Go ahead and get her down off the tray hole. Yeah. Let's go rip on this thing, see what it's got. Get the old Pentastar rolling. Typical S fashion, we're going on a test drive in the dark.
Oh, I bet you're right.
Yeah, good here. Yeah, we're definitely thinking pinion bearing, if you guys can hear that. Might even be a front diff bearing.
So slow.
Oh man, this thing's a dog. Something's jangling. Did we forget to unhook the dog leash? Damn it, Chevy Chase! Oh, we got jizz. Wipers are dog shit, though.
What wipers?
I almost feel like it's a wheel bearing.
Actually, good.
Now that we got the windows up, yeah. Yeah, we'll check it later. Oh, good thing it's got ABS. There's a rabbit.
Would you get out of the way?
Honk at him, you little fucker. And then this goes to the right. And then just go up here and turn around wherever you want.
Oh, okay. You just made like a whoop-de-whoop.
Yep. She's trying to slide. Jesus. My seatbelt's locked and everything. All right, I'm gonna jump out and you do another lap. This thing's a unit, boys. It's really not that bad. It's kind of peppy. Weed whacking. It's all on the right front, the jingle and the grind.
Oh, dude, Dude, it slides like crazy.
Yeah, I can see it, but I don't think I got it on camera.
Oh, well, let's go again.
All right, do it again.
I'll hop in.
Well, let's get another outside one. Hey, jump the driveway. I think I already heard some plastic. That was definitely plastic. Dude, the front end came up at least 1.5 feet.
Yeah, it definitely slammed.
Look at all the grasshoppers on the window.
Trying to whip some shit in Jesus' name.
Just don't fall in the creek.
Right? Like, again?
Yeah. Oh yeah, we're hanging her sideways, boys. You want to try the jump again?
Nope. That was a rough landing. It thumped hard over here.
Oh yeah, I heard it, and I got it mostly on camera, I think. Just weed whacking, no big deal. Trying to make a racetrack, you know what I mean?
It won't turn to the right nearly as good as the left.
I think the left front tire's a little more bald.
Because it'll just throw it around here.
That's when the rear end catches posse.
Pull the cover off and weld it. It'll be fine.
Right? That's what we should do. Old wheelman David over here, damn.
Oh, now you're fenced.
You fucking went straight in the mud over here. Jesus Christ. I told you that's a little rough.
Yeah, it's a little bit. Yeah, it's fine.
This thing's a premium unit, man. Oh look, you got a big old bee in there, fucker.
It's fine. Should have been staying there.
Stupid Falker. I mean, it looks the same as when we went back there, dark. Yeah. So we'll jump back on this rig another day when there's a little more daylight out here. Oh yeah, look at the old shop light now. Yeah, that's pretty mint, huh? New addition today. At any rate, it smells like burning weeds.
Grasshoppers on there.
Right? There's only a few. Only a few. Just doing a little weed whacking. All right, guys, we're gonna catch back up with you when we actually check out this thing and do a damage report. Just wanted to have a little fun with it tonight. So we'll see you in a day or 6.
Okay.
Ferda Jeffy Speed Shop. So Trevor stopped over again and we did some stickering clearly. And check this unit out. It's finally badged up. Slow moto. Jeffy Speed Shop. Bush light. Basically all the things that it's sponsored by here. Oh, what are we doing with the Sawzall? Hey Jeep, what are you doing here? Well, this thing's a premium unit, but it's too quiet and it needs to be faster. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. This thing's way faster now. Chevy speed up. It's right. Dr. David's in the house. Shake that ass. Oh. Safety third. This is how you turn any car into a race car, motherfuckers.
Hey, where's the cat?
Oh, the crackhead's already got that. I like how every shitbox for sale on Marketplace right now is like, no cats, don't even ask.
Well, don't tell them, because I think this one's got 2.
Well, get your hand out. Those aren't there. You have to blur those spots out.
This blade sucks.
Better than mine. It's gonna fall right on your knee. New battery. Oh.
Battery break.
We'll return after this word from our sponsors.
Milwaukee, it's the best tools out there. Don't tell Austin.
Old Milwaukee beer. Way better than
Full battery. Gotta slap it in there.
We'll give her a little slap and pickle.
Looking for a little slap and pickle.
Well,
That was way better. We should have changed the battery to begin with.
Right, that was shitty. Let's see how this turd sounds, because it's a V6. Look how long it is.
Right.
It's definitely not what she said. Yeah, fuck you, muffler.
That thing is like...
It's like 10,000 times bigger than your penis.
Yeah, well, you know. I can only work with what God gave me, Jeff.
Compare them. Oh wait, this is a family channel.
Okay, we're comparing.
You just put it right here in this unit. Oh man, that Mustang looks exhausted.
Oh.
Let's see what this piece of crap sounds like.
Alright, let it down slowly.
Oh, I was just gonna...
Okay.
Then we can see what kind of cheech comes out of her.
Watch your ears.
It's got cats. Sounds like my Dakota. It sounds like Bigfoot's farting.
I know.
You have no brake lights. This thing is not road legal, sir.
It's fine.
All right, quick shop update here. No, we haven't been recording a lot, my bad. We got that all good to go now, nice and tight. We unhooked the ABS. I professionally wired in a couple fans. Just figured out the factory one was bad, and this replacement here, as I'm calling it, was a whole $40. Oh, shut up. Look at that. Got a nice little switch. I just drove it around a little bit. I did not get hot with these. They're called decent for $40 Amazon, fans. Whatever, no big deal. It's only making one lap, and if it lasts long enough to make another one, it'll be fine. Blue Cherokee, yeah, look at this thing. Got her all stickered up. She's sponsored now. Yeah, it didn't do anything to this. It's fine. Everything's fine. I did do a little drift stitch here. I was tired of this flopping around, and I put the little, the bezels in there just so we look less hillbilly. And then with the rear shocks. Now this is going to be a surprise. I had new ones. Yay! They're junk. They already leaked. At any rate, we went ahead and I ground down all that on both sides. I don't know if you can see that side. We're going to go ahead and weld in some plates there, so that way we can mount those up, and then this thing will be ready to rock. And, maybe we'll do a little shake and bake in the yard with these two. We'll do it in the daylight, though. I'm not going to have those plates till tomorrow. My buddy's got to cut them onto the CNC plasma table because we have access to that. It's his. It's freaking sweet. Going to have a video on that coming soon. We're going to make a sweet sign for the front of the shop. Any rate, yeah, just a little update. We'll probably see you fuggins tomorrow. Well, we're getting these turd-ass shock plates welded in back here so we can make the race tomorrow. I think this one's all ready to go now. Got the old Wildfire Fab on the back window. It's David's metal welding business. Metal and welding, that sounded weird. And obviously that's good to go. You doing all right, Sparky?
I can't see shit.
This welding helmet kind of blows ass, I'm not gonna lie. I need to replace it real bad. Yep, so I think this is gonna be a video that gets scrapped or just put into 3 minutes and shoved in here. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you tomorrow at the race.